with another video. Well, right now I'm in my kitchen. And this is from Amazon, not watching. Not go down.
Let Buster go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Invicta? Like, why does it say Invicta when it was from Amazon?
Because the brand is Invicta. Okay, let's see what you got.
Okay.
Okay. Dude, careful. You can't be bashing your watch off the table. Okay, let's see what you think of this.
They're good. You know, I probably know there was this already. Do you know how?
How?
You put this on. I saw it on Amazon
Did you?
this month. You put it on this month.
Okay, now try it on your wrist. See what it looks like. Come on. On your wrist. We'll see what it looks like on your wrist. Wow. That is going to need some resizing. That's a big watch, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. That's it. Say goodbye.
Bye.